ẹnu iná ni ẹnu ká máa brag yìí ni. Sunday Igboho, you need to keep your mouth shut. That makes so many things. But so this time around, you need to stop bragging. The only thing you're supposed to be looking. Sorry, but I don't hear you. Sunday Igboho, are they supporting your wife? Want to castrate? She wants to support your wife. Kakabe, one back country, how you're one finish shagbin. That is enough for you to know that you don't have anybody. Or that could like become a thing. And if at all, Nigeria, what's Nigeria? They will use all those threats against him. He should stop bragging. He should concentrate. He should concentrate how to get an asylum, and he should keep shut. Take it, Sunday Igboho, you need to shut up. You talk, that's the problem I have with you. You talk too much. You didn't put a pony. You don't have any power with this present government. You don't have. Nobody can shut me up. No one can shut me up. Because all the elders, so you can rescue me into Bobo Mercy. Why? Et we won't let you shake with Bokon Lojo, Afin Oba, Con Lokpa Oba, Con Lojo Afin Lagbaja, Con Do Afin Temedo, Con Loda Bolekan, Lady King. It's of me a company when you pay one hold you, Lady K behind the bar. She is a terrorist according to the law. She is a terrorist. You agitator terrorist ni Tomamui under terrorism charge you because you don't know where you are talking. When you are talking, pé now warriors kan lọ ra ìbọn o, kan lọ gbébọn o, kan lọ pa àwọn bàbá kan o. Ṣé mọ̀ pé government ilẹ̀ ń bá jà is an act of terrorism. Hello, see Wikipedia, okay, hello, sorry, Google, hello, what's the meaning of a terrorism? Sunday Igboho one party when it's been at least it's been locked up going 3 months now, or if it's not 3 months. But between so for you, the problem that is holding Sunday Igboho back are the agitators. It's high time they keep their mouth shut. Because they reveal too much of information about him. Because too much information are being heard on social media. That is why I say you are doing it for your own interest because of the money you are getting from it. Buhari is telling you that he's not leaving the country and he's not leaving a seat for any Yoruba, whether Tinubu or anybody. It's not leaving. Tolerance because tí òbòyẹ ò bá ń ṣe yanrìn oníyolóbò ìyá mi àbí kí ló kọ ní ìsìn complaint tí ìyá ẹ fún ènìyàn tó fi admit ẹ sí Gbóbi hospital ìyá ẹ ti bòbò jẹ́ kò tó wá kò dó okó àwọn olówó bíi kó dó okó àwọn bíríkìlà bíi kó dó okó àwọn káfẹ́ńtà bíi kó dó okó àwọn tó ń rúbú rí so pé mi ìdẹ̀bẹ̀ wí wọ́n sample ìyá ẹ nínú ilé. I won't mention your name on Instagram. Any more comment from you but master orúkọ ẹ I just block you off. Zero tolerance. Wọ́n gbé agbára yẹn wọ́n gbé wọ̀ wípé kò sí ẹni tó máa mú àwọn. Wọ́n gbé agbára yẹn wọ ara wọn. Àwọn oníṣẹ́ ìkà tó kúnlẹ̀ Nàìjíríà wọ́n gbé agbára yẹn wọ ara wọn wípé kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe kò sí ń tẹ̀lé ṣe. Ìyẹn ló dé fáfáwọn tán náà wọ́n ṣe Yorùbá nation. Mo sọ fún yín pé èèyàn máa ń ṣe nǹkan ní àsìkò kan tẹ́yìn ó wojú káláyé Jonathan ní gbogbo yín sọ pé fẹ́ gba Yorùbá nation ní Jonathan wà lè ní ẹ̀ǹtì gan. Ṣé rí àwọn tó wà ń bẹ̀ currently tó wà ń bẹ̀ yìí they are vampires. There is nothing you can do unless you will waste your life. Wọ́n ní tí olóko ńlá bá ń dóyàn wọ́n ní kí la máa ń ṣe wọ́n ní gbíngbin ni gbígbẹ́ tó bá ti experience olóko ńlá o ò ní lè sọ pé okó ẹ̀yẹn ń ta ẹ́ nídìí wàá máa gbin ni òun adẹ́rò pé gbíngbin pé ó ń dùn mọ́ ọ ni kò sì mọ̀ pé kò dùn mọ́ ń dùn wọ́n ṣe ní bolóko ńlá bá ń dóyàn gbíngbin la mọ́ ń gbin ẹni tẹ́yìn ò sì lè mú Ọlọ́run ọba ní olóbò òrùbùtù you are blocked. Anything mentioning Obo, anything that doesn't tally with my chart will be blocked on Instagram. Anything that does not tí ó wà informative educative pẹ̀lú tí n bá ń sọ when I'm talking Obo you talk Obo. So blocking mode is activated on Instagram. So because distractor ni tó ráyé yín ti pò fún ayé yín ti bàjẹ́, you don't want to know about the current affairs, you don't want to know about the current situation in Nigeria. It doesn't perturb you because olè ni yín, kidnappers ni yín. What is happening in Nigeria doesn't perturb. In as much about she rí èèyàn jí gbé, tẹ́ sì rí ènìyàn pa, èèyàn ọmọ òfò, èèyàn ọmọ ìbànújẹ́. Àwọn àna ọmọ àfún yín lépè. Ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ó ń gba omijé ní ojú mi ní gbogbo ìgbà ni. Nàìjíríà ó ti di pé bó o bá o pa, bó o bá o bù lẹ́sẹ̀. Ó ti di wípé kí ló fẹ́ ṣe fún mi sẹ́ẹ̀. Àní mo fẹ́ fìyà jẹ yín ni kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe fún mi. Ọ̀rọ̀ Nàìjíríà ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ yẹ kẹ́yìn ọmọ Nàìjíríà kẹ́ ebi ò ní wùwà pé bámúbámú mowó. I don't have any family in Nigeria, to be honest. Ebi ò dẹ̀ pa mí. Ṣùgbọ́n tí ó máa ń wá sínú ọkàn mi ní gbogbo ìgbà is not about the present situation. Èyí tó ń bọ̀, upcoming children. Do you have any future for them? No future, no education, no sound education in Nigeria. No sound education, no sound medical system. Every day, everybody are dying like a chicken, and they were accountable. They are not accountable. The government won't. The government of Nigeria, they don't care. Even they won't address the situation. But due to Nigeria gullibility, they know that you people are gullible. You are gullible, to be honest. Situation. I'm not talking of Yoruba nation, because Yoruba nation is not possible. And I will continue to say it, and I will continue till whenever Timbason Kokon, you people love to manipulate my words. Buhari is telling you that he's not leaving the country, and he's not leaving a seat for any Yoruba, whether Tinubu or anybody. He's not leaving it. It wasn't last week I spoke about Igbo's lawyer in Benin. Wasn't last week. I will keep on saying the truth. Not until when somebody gossip to you, it's just a common sense. It's just a common sense. Because you people, you don't reason with your senses. You reason with your anus. Because common sense, now can you call somebody that is a lawyer to Sunday Igboho and he's doing a live shot? Definitely, and you Yoruba, were joyous. You don't even care about your future. That in an illegal way. Then in a legal way. But whether you are a Yahoo, whether you are a scammer, whether you are a kidnapper, within 3 years you shall be killed. Because Bible says, who killed by the sword shall die by the sword. But why can't you look in and focus on the current situation? I'm not talking of Yoruba nation, because Yoruba nation is not possible. And I will continue to say it, and I will continue till whenever Timbason Kokon, you people love to manipulate my words. At the end of the day, it's always come to pass. It wasn't last week I spoke about Igbo's lawyer in Benin. Wasn't last week. I will keep on saying the truth. Not until when somebody gossip to you, it's just a common sense. It's just a common sense. Because you people, you don't reason with your senses. You reason with your anus. Because common sense, now can you call somebody that is a lawyer to Sunday Igboho and he's doing a live shot? Definitely, then why you people are criticizing him now? At least I read file not to disappear. Lawyer to long represent Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho sita. It should be a private thing. Any board, carry information, definitely, you know, the Nigerian government, they will contact him to work for them. Sunday Igboho it's been locked up going 3 months now, or if it's not 3 months. But the problem that is holding Sunday Igboho back are the agitators. It's high time they keep their mouth shut, because they reveal too much of information about him. Because too much information are being heard on social media. That is why I say you are doing it for your own interest because of the money you are getting. Àwọn tó sún ẹ wo irú Lady K yẹn. Ẹ sọ fún mi ẹ kàn ń pariwo ní pé wọ́n hold Lady K behind the bar. She is a terrorist to be according to the law. She is a terrorist. You agitator terrorist ni tó máa mú yín under terrorism wọ́n máa charge yín fún because you don't know where you are talking. When you are talking pé ti láwọn warriors kan lọ ra ìbọn o, kan lọ gbébọn o, kan lọ pa àwọn bàbá kan o, ṣé mọ̀ pé gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì lè ń bá jà is an act of terrorism. Ẹ lọ sí Wikipedia or kẹ́ lọ sórí Google kẹ́ lọ search what's the meaning of a terrorism. You will see the definition. When you people, we are screaming that day, you cannot compare yourself. I'm a blogger. So yeah, I'm a blogger. I have every right to criticize all the elders in the government or within the kingdom. Bloggers, but bloggers have no respect for anybody. Because I'm not saying they should be splitting the country. But so my own case is quite different from yours. Which is act of terrorism. Because Bonita is like ìyá ó ṣe Esabod yẹn ṣe bó máa ń bú àwọn bá ti pẹ́ èmi ń bá wọn bá wí tipẹ́tipẹ́ ni mo ń leak gbogbo secret wọn tipẹ́tipẹ́ ni being a blogger, and I've been doing this since 2012, but I've never said it that they should divide Nigeria because you don't know the difference at all. But for being a critics blogger, controversial blogger, any act of terrorism lenji. Because all the elders so you can rescue him into gbogbo mess te wa yi e gbogbo won le ti sepe fún pé kan lọ jó ààfin ọba kan lọ pa ọba kan lọ jó ààfin lágbájá kan jó ààfin tẹ̀mẹ̀dùn kan lọ da agbolé kan rú. Wallahi, Lady K, I know for sure they will not release Lady K. It's just a common sense. Because ebi owo show Lady K ri until 3 days ago mo rí ton comment nípa Lady K níbì kan. Àwọn yẹn wọ́n rí fast pé kan lọ sórí page wọ́n farabalẹ̀ wo 2 or 3 videos of her. 3 videos of her where she was threatening the government. Because anybody that is any nti oye yin ni pé terrorism lẹ ń ṣe. Let me tell you how it's become a terrorism. Anybody that want to yapa, anybody that want to come out of a country, they always terrorism. That is what they call it, terrorism. Because you are terrorizing the sitting government. Or it can happen in UK. It can happen everywhere. Under terrorism, anybody to government. And there's nothing like a peaceful let us go. Yoruba nation now. There's nothing peaceful. You are hurting the sitting government. Of course, you are saying that they are arresting you people agitators. Of course, before you can declare yourself, Nigeria, you should dance to the consequence. There is a consequence for being a terrorist. Because ilu te ti fe kuro gan, eyan fi ojú bọ̀rọ̀ gbọmọ lọ́wọ́ ekuro ni. But again, Mama said, we are having our peaceful rally. Why you are chanting, Nigeria and Yoruba must go. So that is why if you really want to come out of Nigeria, you should be ready to die. You should be ready to sacrifice your life for the upcoming generation. It must believe in agitators. Because if you know the definition of being coming out of a country, for being coming, it's just a common sense. Once you have a common, you'll be able to pause and ponder and digest what is the outcome of coming out. Are you ready to face the music? It's only that is when you can come out of Nigeria. If you are ready to face the consequence. Agitating on social media, campaigning on Facebook media doesn't go anywhere. It doesn't go anywhere. You have to go on the street and should be ready to dance in the rain. Bobo iluni, because violently lẹ́yìn stop ṣe fẹ́ kúrò ní under Nigeria with the world's ẹ kàn sọ wípé why you are rallying on the ground gbébọn lóòótọ́ gbà kilo, but your words is like a weapon. Ẹ lọ jó ọba kan, ẹ lọ jó Abẹ́òkúta, is a weapon. And whatever you say will be accountable in the law courts. Oh no, mo sọ yìí pé it is Sunday Igboho ṣe video yìí pé I think Sunday Igboho you need to shut up. You talk, that's the problem I have with you. You talk too much. You didn't put a pony. You don't have any power with this present government. You don't have nobody can shut me up. No one can shut me up. Imagine me, I've been talking on social media since 2012. So I want to tell you that I'm not used to bully. Yeah, no. I've been bullied since 2012. So if I don't develop a thick skin by now, I don't care whatever you say. I will continue to tell you the truth. And the truth hurts. There's so many things to complicate. To complicate. I want weapon or to the government and to the kings. And if at all, Nigeria, they will use all those threats against him. He should stop bragging. He should concentrate. He should concentrate how to get an asylum, and he should keep shut. He has so many bad advisors around him. One of them should be on bí a ó pé bá pé ògbójú lórí ní kò sọ máa gẹ̀ ní kò àbí wọ́n ṣe ògbójú lóògùn sọ máa gẹ̀ ní kò ọ̀rọ̀ jẹ́ kí sọ fún yín kí ló dé táwọn àgbẹ̀kọ̀yà yín tó láwọn ní ayẹta wọn ṣe jáde ẹ mọ̀ pé búlẹ̀tà mi kò ran ayẹta wọn kàn pa yín dànù ìbọn òyìnbó ò ran ayẹta wọn kàn fẹ̀ wọn waste ẹ̀mí yín. I don't think yín tó sọ last time yẹn kò yẹ kó sọ oṣù wà níbí kan wọn ò tí ì mọ solution àwọn lọ́ọ̀yà tó ló gbà ní Kútọ́nù wọn ti gbà bọ̀dẹ̀. They cannot ordinarily. They can't even bail you out. Because they sold Sunday Igboho out. I said that Nigeria, Yoruba nation, you can never get a Yoruba nation. Because sense of reasoning, is not like the way they may feel you. Psychologically, and the perfect guy is okay, Ota Yoruba ni, Ota Yoruba ni ekwe Sunday Igboho. Lawyer to know fact by Kútọ́nù on live shots. And you see how people go inside the inbox to lobby, to draw them to their side. Is that not what I said? Kí newspaper tó wá gbé. Ẹnu iná ni, ẹnu ká máa brag ni. Sunday Igboho, you need to keep your mouth shut. That makes so many things, but this time around, you need to stop bragging. The only thing you're supposed to be looking. Sorry, but I don't hear you. Sunday Igboho, are they supporting your wife? Want to castrate? She wants to support your wife. That is enough for you to know that you don't have anybody. Or that like we come out saving you. I think within their circle, they're supposed to rally. You don't have anybody. One time, you are not. You're not a child. That is the only thing I hate about you. But she didn't me time back king boy no magbo. She might also I want secret in it. I've never said it outside. When they say something is a secret, I will keep it. Gbogbo with it. Talk on the social media. Yoruba must go. Kini kan o. Yoruba must go. They are a time waster. Bobo Zoom meeting then Bobo yin se time kora yin time ko be 20 times Zoom meeting fún wa lórí social media. What is the outcome of it? Yoruba enu buruku. Isha fe bayi bobo ige patapata. That is why I said that if he has a very good PA, to ba the PA gidi ni te be a fake and illiterate like him, they shouldn't have posted that video out again. King Yoruba fe ko gbe wa Nigeria now. To ma gbe wa ko se kankan to ma ṣẹlẹ̀. They will sue you to the courts. Wọ́n náà mọ̀ kò ti complicated pẹ̀lú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ti sọ. Wọ́n sọ pé alágbára kì í sọ̀rọ̀. Inú lágbára fi máa ń jà. Ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́yìn bá sọ, they will use it against you. Wọ́n gbé mi lọ sí court lẹ́ẹ̀mejì because they use the word I said against me. Wọ́n lo vocal words again. Not until ìgbà tó bá rí yàn physically tó yọ̀bọ̀n tó yàdá No, ọ̀rọ̀ tó bá sọ, like all those current agitators, they are deeply looking for them. They are deeply looking for them. And they will. So Lady K has complicated. How can somebody? I don't watch her. And you go me on go. Because it's repetition of words. I'm going to learn Yoruba Nation now. Lórí social media ń pa Yoruba Nation now. Ṣé bá wọn Congo ṣe jagun nìyẹn? Ṣé bá wọn Rwanda àmì wọn Somalia ṣe jagun nìyẹn? Ó lè ní and nothing but a thief. You just a scammer. Just a scammer. So gbogbo yín ẹ lè rally round lọ láàrin ara yín kẹ́ fún ìyàwó Ìgbòho ní 2 million. With all the money you have collected gone 2 years. Ó lè ní ó yẹ kó ọwọ́ ìjọba dẹ̀ máa tẹ̀yìn. So they can free ṣe rí àwọn yòókù wọ́n free wọ́n ń ṣe speaker wọ́n mí nìyẹn speaker yẹn burúkú bóyá pé repatriation ni ó gbà wọ́n mí nìyẹn gidigidi because when you are coming out of a country whether you go to buy guns, whether you're going to buy mercenaries, whether you have a, it should be within your circle. It should, oh, you can need team. It should be within your group. It's not something you should be saying on the social media. You saying everything. They will use every word against you because Lady K, she has complicated herself. But there is a minimum of 10 years imprisonment for act of terrorism. Go and Google what we don't like. We don't know. Once you have chosen, okay, or whatever mass on Facebook, let's first show, we pay, let's first campaign. I don't think you should be threatening. Koiki sotiti olo ma bomb because in London, olo ma bomb no police station London. Nítorí pé kíni ẹ fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn hail yín pé àwọn ọmọ yìí ń sọ̀rọ̀ akíni wọn sójú òtì. How many rallies have you performed? Ngba ton ti gbé Ìgbòho. How many rally? Body tí kanu yín parọ́ pé àwọn ń ṣe rally àwọn ò gbé wá mọ́ ni kò sí ní bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè ṣe rally tó má tẹ̀lé yín kò sẹ́ni tí ò kí ń lo camera phone wọ́n á record wọ́n á ti jù síta. Àwọn sọ fún yín pé olè ni yín ọ̀lẹ ni yín ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́ agitation yẹn ti choose it as a full-time job. Ìkànnì yín kọ́ ló ra ọ̀kadà bíi 40 tó fi ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún lóṣogbo yẹn. Pálábá yín máa ṣẹ́gi. Terrorism ni. If you are coming out of a country, your plan should be inside. It should be inside. But ẹ̀ ń sọ ní gbogbo ojú ẹ̀ Nàìjíríà ẹ̀kẹ́ yẹn máa sọ pé àbọ̀ àpá president lọ́la. Ṣé president náà ò ní múra? That is why you don't disclose whatever you want to do. In the case, so again, that's that for you. Sunday Igboho, I will continue to say my own. And to bad so to tell and to love it. So you agitators and they are killers. They are sending you into a prison. Okay, you said they should send you back to Nigeria. Then sign your to Kutonuna. Only that bad boy. If you sign for fair, long might be a father. You any na. Come on, boy, you need share one.